Bàbá olóyin, sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Tches Adéhùsì. Tá ń tọ́lọ́run, Bàbá olóyin nǹkan. Bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying at Yesiota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Yesiota. The program you are watching today is from Kinni Show Television. Kinni Show. The phone number is on the screen. 0810 84 31 336. Listen again. 0810 84 31 336. You can send your messages here. You can send your WhatsApp. It's very advisable to send your message on WhatsApp. We'll be able to treat the message very well. Very, very well. Because some people, when they call you on phone, some people are ready to call for 30 minutes, 1 hour. And the most surprising thing is that some of those people will tell you, I will call you later. I'm not ready to buy anything yet. For 30 minutes, 45 minutes, they are ready to do talk because the calling rate in their country is very low, more than Nigeria. It's advisable to send your message on WhatsApp. We are selling books. Some of the problems some people are facing, I've already put them inside the books. You don't need to see me. But if you want to see me, then you are ready to pay. Yes. I've published many things inside the books. I've published many things inside the books. You just buy the book and do it by yourself. It is when you have spiritual problems that you can handle, that you can call me. Today I want to teach you what you can do. Some people, when they just pack to a new house, the husband and wife, they used to die. Sometimes, when they pack to new house, the husband will lose job. The wife will lose job as job. Or if the wife is selling, when they pack to a new house, the market will not move again. It's always common. Sometimes, when you pack to a new house, business will begin to drop. You won't enjoy life again. What are you going to do to make the business to flourish, to make you enjoy your own life again? I want to teach you again. Sometimes when you are living in a new environment, new house, you'll be observing these white soldier ants. They will be disturbing you. These soldier ants, ìjàlọ, èrùn, Yorùbá call it èrùn, ìjàlọ, will be disturbing you. What are you going to do to stop that one? I will teach you today. Get seated. Don't forget, I'm the publisher for this book. This is African Power Part 1. This is African Power Part 2. This is Honey as a Medicine book. This is Solution to Woman Problems book. This is Healing Power of Honey. Yes, Healing Power of Honey. You can get all these my books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. Or you can come to Baba Oloyin bus stop to buy the books. Some people will be telling you, I'm not around. Whether you are in Nigeria or overseas country, we can send the books to you. We can send the books to you. But you can get it online on WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. If you cannot come to Yesiota, if you are staying in Lagos State, go to number 4, Alokola Street, Mushin bus stop, Mushin, Lagos State. If you are living around Bariga, go to number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. They get the books and the honey there. Go to Egbe. If you are living around the Koto Egbe, go to number 2, Femi Osobu Street. Number 2, Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market, Agodo Egbe. Yes. Now, as earlier said, if you observe that you are having spiritual problems in your house, white soldier ants are disturbing you, they can enter the house and destroy all your plots and properties. You have the Erun, Yoruba call it Erun and Jalo. You have them that are disturbing you too much. It's a bad omen. It's not good. What are you going to do to stop that thing? It's what I said I will teach you today. Go and get a small dog. Aja. The English name for small dog is puppy. Abi? Puppy. A small puppy. It may be 2 weeks. It may be a week. Just make sure it's a small puppy. Bury it in your compound, very close to your house. When you dig a hole, bury that small puppy. Get 2 bottles of red palm oil. You know palm oil? The palm oil you use to cook your food. Red palm oil. Red palm oil. Epo pupa tá a fi ń ṣebẹ̀. Pour it. You dig a hole. You put a small puppy. You kill it. You can put it inside a sack. Use a hammer or use anything to kill it. You don't need to call people to come and kill a small puppy for you. Torí àwọn kan máa béèrè pé ta ni ó wá bá mi pa? Sọ́jà màálù ni. It's a small puppy. Ajá, ọmọ ajá kékeré. You bury it in your compound. It may be 2 weeks. It may be a month old. It may be 2 months. When you see it, bury it. It may be Oyinbo soup, Oyinbo dog. It may be local dog. Dig a small hole. Put it there. When you have killed it, get 2 bottles of red palm oil. Put it on top of it. Bury it back. Cement your compound back if you like. All these white soldier hands, all these black soldier hands, black spirit, bad demons, they will not come to your compound again. Because what some people are experiencing, when they buy a new house, they buy a new land, they build it, problem upon problem. If you try this thing, you will thank God. Somebody was calling me last week. He said, even this is dry season, he was still experiencing this this igalo and this black soldier ants and white soldier ants. White soldier ants, they are very dangerous, more than this black one. If you put kerosene on top of them, they may not die. If you put Gamma 20 on top of them, they refuse to die. But when you use spiritual thing, some of them they target you. They may target you to destroy your house for you. Yes, they destroy your properties for you. You have a farmland. This thing is happening. You can do it. Bury a small dog. English name for a small dog is puppy. Bury it. Dig a hole. Bury it in your farm. Put 2 bottles of palm oil, red palm oil, cooking palm oil. Put it on top. Cover it. White soldier hands will not come. Then if you buy a new land, you don't know. Maybe some people have fought over the land before. You are a newcomer, you don't know. When you back to a new house, bad things begin to happen. You can try this thing. By the special grace of God, you will thank God. African get power. Yoruba get power. Yes. I always tell people I'm selling books. So some people will be telling me, I don't know if you are selling books. When they call you, you'll be talking. Even on WhatsApp, you'll be reading some messages that you'll be cleaning your face many times. I used to tell them, some of these problems you are telling me, I have put them inside my books. You are following me for the past 6 months. You don't know I'm selling books. It's a great lie. Some people will tell you I've been following for the past 3 years. And all the things you are teaching us, they are correct. They are correct, but you don't get the brain to buy the books. You only follow without buying my books. I don't like it. I don't tolerate it. That's why I always tell people, if you want to share my video, tell them Baba is selling books. I'm giving you free information so that you know this man gets small power, that when you buy the books, you will not regret it. Not that you are just a follower. You will just say, I subscribe. I have a back pain. I have rheumatism. It's in the book. African Power Part 1 bam. Things are not moving. Anytime I collect spiritual products from herbalists, pastors, or something, they are not working. They work for some time. What you have to do is here. African Power Part 2. Yes, try it, buy it, try the things I put inside. Many things are coming, many people are calling me for hot water soap. I said that one will be when rain season comes in April next year. You can't get the materials again. We are in December. Some people, they have been following, they have been hearing the free information, but they don't know they need to buy some things. This is shea butter cream. I told people, if you use it, you see money. People will like you, they admire you anywhere you go. I'm selling shea butter cream, coconut oil perfume, hot water soap. It's there, but it's not available during dry season. You can only get it during rainy season. Only those who have bought before. I reserve small quantities for them. Yes, because they value what I'm saying. Yes. Tító máa ń lọ, gbogbo ẹ̀yin onífá, ẹ kúṣẹ́, ìbá yín o, ẹ̀yin babaláwo tí ń sán pẹ́lẹ̀. Oníṣègùn tó bá jó tí ò mí yẹ rì. Àbùkù ara ẹ̀kọ́, àbùkù Ṣàngó ni. Ẹ tẹ́ bá mẹ́tùtù tó yẹ ká ẹ ṣe tẹ́ ẹ ṣe lásìkò tí ìran yín nílò rẹ̀. Àbùkù Yorùbá kọ́ àbùkù yín ni. Àáfàá tó níyàn ó mú, ọmọ rẹ̀ ò ní jẹ tíà. Lówe, òwe lẹ̀sìn ọ̀rọ̀, ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ̀sìn òwe, tọ́rọ̀ bá sọnù, òwe la fi ń wá. If you like today's program, don't forget to give me thumbs up. Share among friends and relatives. But tell them, Baba Oloyin is selling books. You can also watch me on that channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television and Agbára Èèyàn Dúdú Television. Agbára Èèyàn Dúdú Television. You can also watch me on my son channel, Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adewusi. Tomorrow, you will still see me there, by God's grace. Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adewusi is around now. He will be giving you some jokes, and I will be there to feature and give you how you can use honey for some purposes that will be good for you. Don't forget, Baba Oloyin Original. I'm seen at Yesiota, Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.
Baba Oloyin, ST0P táwọn tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ ST0P ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.